guys, here with me, Maseko, and today we're having inter-house athletics, and I'll be interviewing few athletes to check how their results were. So firstly, we've got Lireko who? Lireko Makusopani. Now Lireko Makusopani just participated in the long jump, and let's hear what his results were. So how was it?
It was fun, but
were you nervous? Weren't you? So you think you did good. So you're going to the Inter. Ah, come on, man, real positive attitude. So are you going to the Inter? Are you going to represent your school? Nah, man, thank you, Loreto. Thank you, eh? Good, everything is perfect. Now, my second guest is Anika. Let's have a chat with Anika. Hello, Anika.
Hello.
What's your phone? Tracy Otisha. Yes, we're going to take treatment. Right, don't realize what Anika is signing out for.
The microphone.
Yes, today is Maniko.
Hier gaan lekker, dat is een idee deel.
Mooi!
Waar blijven jullie niet?
Mooi, Owen! Go, Dylan, go!
Juffrouw!
Mooi, Sean!
Mooi auto.
Mooi, Jelle!
Alright, good stuff, bye.